Hello, hi, welcome to this video. This is Arvind here. We're going to see the trade setup and market view for the week starting 17th of November 2020. It's a short week, only 4 trading sessions. And the Nifty daily chart you can see 12,770 was the strong supply zone, and Nifty has crossed it with a gap up on Saturday, and we hit all-time high on Muhurat trading session. And we came off the highs. You can see the intraday chart. There was some profit booking which was expected, and we closed a long position somewhere here, and there was a mild dip, and again we had taken some long positions here. So Nifty call options we are carrying for the next week, and you can see what are the next levels for Nifty. Okay, so as long as Nifty is holding 12,770 and above, I think the uptrend is still on. Even if it comes off the highs, 12,600 will be the next support zone. You can see here the low was tested on Friday, 13th November, and even 12,560 will be a strong support. So as long as Nifty is staying above these levels, the trend is still up. But if these levels are taken out, it may come to 12,400 to the 450 levels, and there's one more gap here, and it may even fall to 12,250. That is if the trend is reversing and the top is formed here, right? As of now, the trend is still up, so we have to keep buying the dips unless 12,550 is taken out on the downside. So we're staying long, and there could be strong supply zones at 12,900 and 13,000 being a the round figure. So these two zones is where we are planning to take some profits and see if the trend is still going up or not. So there could be some mild profit booking and reversal from here, or even this could be the top. We have to wait and see. But if at all Nifty is crossing 13,000, 13,100 and staying long, and even still showing strength and gaining momentum, we can again look for buying opportunities, right? That's on Nifty. Now coming to Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty also had a good rally and consolidation for the last 4 to 5 days, and right now it is stuck in a range of 1,000 points. You can see in the 15 minutes chart, right? It is in a range bound trend. So the hourly chart you can see here. So between 28,000 and 29,000 there is a sideways consolidation that's going on. So either we can trade within this range, right? So let me just zoom this in. Yeah, so we can buy it near support at 28,000 and sell near say 28,900 zone. That is the supply zone somewhere here. So we can trade here, or we can wait for the breakout above 28,000. There is a good chance of a rally, the 500-600 points we can expect, and if it breaks 28,000, 27,500 could be the next support zones, right? So that will be the next place where you can buy very good buying opportunities. So these are the levels to trade in Bank Nifty, right? So the best way to trade Bank Nifty or even banking and financial stocks is once Bank Nifty is taken out about 29,000, we can expect a good rally on the upside. Okay, that's on the index. So coming to FI data, so FI have been buying heavily in the first week of November. The volumes have reduced, but still it's on the higher side, 1,500 crores per day. Right, so that is pretty high, and that's as long as FIs are still buying in cash market, it's a good sign. Market is expected to go up, and even the dollar index is coming down to 92 levels, which is again a good positive sign, right? So this is on the global front. Let's look at the global markets also. If you look at the Dow Jones futures as of now, I'm recording this on 16th of November, and you can see Dow Jones have formed a double top here. You can see here, this is the first top and the second top which got formed, and the third attempt it actually broke out. Now as long as Dow Jones is staying above 29,000, I think the trend is still up, and it may go and re-attempt the previous high it made on 9th of November, which is 30,087. So I think it is going there, another 200 to 300 points. We can expect more momentum on the upside. And the same thing with S&P 500 futures also, you can see here. So it has also completed a double top formation and has a breakout here, and there's a very good chance it may go and test 36,000, 37,000 is another 100 points away, right? So that should be expected in S&P 500. Again, these trends will take the global markets higher, right? So as we speak, SGX Nifty is around 12,850 and is still showing some strength. It also tested 12,900. It opened with a gap up this morning, and it's sustaining that, right? It's not giving up much of the gains, so it's a good sign. So if it sustains, even if it sustains somewhere here, there's a good chance of a 100-point gap up tomorrow morning. That's on 17 November, and we can expect more momentum towards 13,000. That is the view on Nifty 50 also, right? So that's the view and trade setup for the week, and we're going to stay long buying the dips as long as 12,600 is taken out. So that's the view that we have, right? So I hope you found the video useful. Please like and share the video, and if you like, subscribe to my support services during live market hours. Also, online programs are there where you can learn and trade on your own. You can check out the links in the description. I place some links on my website also. You can also WhatsApp me for any queries, and I hope you have a good trading week ahead. Take care. Happy trading. Bye bye.